Ever sunk your teeth into a candy apple so glossy, so goody, and so impossibly sweet that it was as if a carnival came to life in your mouth? Now imagine this. Instead of buying it at a carnival, you grow it yourself in your very own backyard garden. Sounds impossible, doesn't it? But hanging there, because today I'm going to take you through the process of making a candy apple that starts with planting a seed. And trust me, the payoff at the end will blow your mind. It all starts in a garden. Everybody thinks candy apples are all about sugar, syrup, and sticks, but the magic is actually in the fruit itself. If you have ever grown an apple tree, you are aware it's not just a nourishment, it's a story. From soil to seeding, from watering to sun, every step gives flavor to that final crunch bite. And here's the thing, a homegrown apple not only tastes sweeter, it takes the candy coating better. That glossy red shell sticks smoother, shines brighter, and snaps louder when you bite in. But this is where the story gets interesting. Most candy apple tutorials will tell you to dip, roll, and chew. That's fine. But I'm going to show you how to infuse flavors from your own garden harvest into your candy coating, like mint leaves, lavender, or even a pinch of cinnamon basil. Imagine an autumn-flavored candy apple with notes of your very own backyard. That's not a recipe, that's edible storytelling. The procedure: start by cultivating your apple tree in nutrient-rich compost with pollinator-friendly plants like bees, palm, or sunflowers scattered around it. This results in healthier fruits. When the harvest time comes, pick the apples when they are at the peak of ripeness. Wash, dry, and spear them with stick. Then comes the fun part. Melt sugar, add corn syrup, a dash of vanilla. Here's the garden twist. A steep of fresh herbs. Dip the apple, let them cool, and you just make a candy apple no carnival stand could ever compete with. The beauty of this story isn't just the candy, it's the cycle. From dirt to dessert, from garden bake to festival treat, from patient growing to joyful eating. When your kids bite into that glossy red apple, they're not just tasting sugar, they're tasting months of care, growth, and love. And here's the kicker. Once you make one garden-grown candy apple, you never look at store-bought ones the same way again. Because now, the fairground lives in your backyard. The sweetness was always there. You just had to grow it. So, if you want more garden hacks, more recipes from the backyard, and more food stories with a twist you never see coming, don't just watch. Subscribe now because we are planting seeds, we are growing flavors, and we are making every harvest one to remember.